So hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on Mazda CX 2008 model, and I want to show you how and where to locate the transmission socket in case you are finding it difficult to find where to locate the socket. So first of all, you have to remove the battery in the battery seat, and you go down a little bit. Then you see the socket on top of the transmission where the gear lever is located. Yeah, that's the socket. So this is the socket. It's located on top of the transmission where the gear lever cable is located. Thank you for watching.